Not sure if you guys can see anything. It's like, what, 5 in the morning?
5:20.
5:20. Yeah, I think it's pitch black. 5:20. We're about to get our fishing spot. Let's do it. No! He came off. They're all right here. I can see them. I'm on, I think. Yep. No, what?
Don't tell me that.
It just came off right here. I may need a circle hook. Try it again. Not exactly what I wanted to catch today, but let's try to sit down. Oh, we're on! I guess you guys just missed it, just caught a big red. Well, not big, but decent. Gotta get this thing out of him. Let's even catch another one on some live mullet. I'm on! Oh my gosh. Round 2, y'all. It's a big one, I think. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh. I can't freaking hold him. You got a net? Come on. Holy crap. We recording? here. Got our bait out. Fish this miradine. Oh no, it's our freaking bait. Dang it, bro. Holy crap. I'm gonna lose line. Oh, he broke it. Holy crap. I think it's a big trout. Or a catfish. He's coming towards you. I can't see. Oh shoot. What the crap? It's going nuts. Oh my goodness. No. My favorite. Been a great start to the morning. We got a slot red. He's in the kayak up there. Go home, eat him. Hopefully we catch some more stuff. I just caught a catfish. I don't know if I had that on video. I also fell in the water, so that was fun. Maybe had a shark on, who knows. That was crazy, but keep going. He's got a motor on here, so we're just gonna go find another spot or get some more bait. We got something right here. Whoa. Huge trout. You could probably eat him too. Holy cow. Just gotta stop swallowing it. Jimmy, keep it?
Yeah. Keep it.
I think you could eat him. Check it out, y'all. Little trout. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know where my camera's looking. Alright, we're headed to a new spot. He thinks this is going to be the spot. Got a little more bait. We'll see. What do you think?
It's gonna work out. We're gonna catch a big one right here. Big red.
Big red. Let's do it. Whoa. Can you catch him?
Oh yeah, look at that.
There's a shark right here. I don't know if you guys can see him. Oh, right there. That's a little creepy. I wasn't recording, but we caught a little trout. I think the sun's getting too high now. We're not really catching much. But little guy, we'll get him off. It's been a pretty good morning. Got a bunch of trout. We got 2 good redfish. We kept one of them, slot size. We've got a big trout in here we're keeping too. He's just hanging out over here. We don't really have a room for a cooler. This thing's so tiny, it's like 9 foot. But I'm gonna try one more spot and we're gonna call it a day. So I'm currently stuck and he just caught a redfish.